So first of all, for creating one MCQ test in your application, you just need to just create that subject of that particular, you can say, MCQ test, so that that teacher can upload all the MCQs in that particular subject and student can give that particular text. So for that purpose, you just need to go in your administrative account, and in the administrative account you just need to go in the subjects, and here you can see manage subject. So after just clicking on that manage subject, you are supposed to create a new subject here, like create new subject, and you just need to give the name of that particular thing, like I'll just give it as MCQ test like this, and I will just give some random code to it. We just got to the previous ones like this, and then class, like for which batch you are just arranging this particular test. So for now I am creating for batch 1, so for the student belonging to batch 1 can access this particular test. And then branch, like in which branch the students are all in, so I'll just selecting schools. You can select anything in which your students are being logged in. Then it is asking for the description. It is just, you can just paste it randomly, it will not be visible in your application. So I will just giving it as test. Here I will just set price to 0 and will keep the validity to 12 months like this, and then is deleted. I will just keep it 0. I will not change anything here. And here in the active MCQ, you are supposed to just select your MCQ subject, not the normal subject. You just want to select here MCQ subject, and when you will be creating a normal subject in which you are supposed to upload the videos and all the content, PDF and everything, so there you are supposed to just use this normal subject. But for MCQ, I'll just you'll just click on this particular MCQ subject and we'll click on save button. So thereafter our one subject of name MCQ test is being created. So as you can see in my application, one subject of MCQ test is being created here, and now there is nothing here. Just to upload the test, now I will just assign this particular subject to one teacher, so that the teacher can upload the MCQ there and student can give the exam. So for that particular thing, as you have know this thing already, we'll just go to teacher, and here it is the option assign subject to a teacher. I'll just click on that, and here I will just create a new subject teacher, and mapping name will be MCQ test. You can just give it randomly to suppose I am just giving to a teacher whose name is RK something like, and then I will just select that particular teacher, Rahul Kumar, then select the same subject which I have created for now, MCQ test, and it is description. You can just give it randomly anything, so I will just giving it as MCQ to RK the same, and I will just click on save. So whatever the subject now I have created, in that particular subject like MCQ test, that particular teacher Rahul Kumar can just add the, you can say, all the MCQs, and then student can attend all that test there. So now we'll just shift to the login of that particular teacher. Like it was at first it was login of you can say whole institute. Now we'll just log in using the credential of Rahul Kumar being a teacher. So now I'll just log in here. So here as you can see, you can access all the things being a teacher here. So here in the subject section, if you just click on manage subject, so as you can see in my teacher login, now I can see one extra subject MCQ test here. So I will just upload one unit here in the MCQ test, so that I can just get access of the particular all the things which are available to me. So for that purpose I will just click on the go to units, and in the unit section you can see create Flipgrid unit. So basically this unit will be similar to a whole test. Like in this particular unit, whatever the MCQs you will create will be shown as a test for the students. So for that purpose you just need to click on create Flipgrid unit, and here you can just name it as test 1. So basically this will be the test 1 for the students, and here in the subject ID you are supposed to just select the MCQ test, and then the unit number, like the unit, like it will be the test number you can say. So I'll just keep it as 1. Then the description, so description you can give anything, I'll just give some random description for now. Then number of chapters here, you just have to give some random information here, so I'll just keep it to 10 for now. like it is just the number of chapters in your particular unit. So whatever you can just update this amount like it is basically the number of, you can say, test you are supposed to conduct. It is just a random number, you can update it later. For now just keep it as 10, and then is deleted, just keep it as 0 and just keep it just click on save button. So that's this particular unit will be created in your application. So after creation of unit, you're just supposed to upload a file. So to do that purpose, you just supposed to click on upload files, upload videos, and here you can see upload new video EHB. So you just need to click on that, and you just need to click on create video here, and here in the subject ID you just want to select MCQ test, and here in the unit 1, like the particularly test 1 you were supposed to conduct, then just keep it as test 1 and just name here as demo video like this, and you can just give any type of description to this, like I'll just keep it as this. Then you are just supposed to like type of file should be video, and then it is asking for the video path file, like the video path. Then like this particularly file will be given to you in the description below. You just need to download that thing from the description, and in the, you can say, after downloading that particularly file, like this file is there in the description, you just need to download this and just select this and just click on save. So after doing that, this particular window will appear in front of you. You just need to ignore this. So just upload a new video, like to upload particular window will appear in front of you. You just need to ignore this for now. So now after just uploading a file, you just need to create a topic of that particular test. So for that particular purpose, you just need to go in the topic section, and here you can see create Flipgrid topic. You just need to click on that, and here you can see subject ID. So you just need to select MCQ test again, and in the unit section you just need to select your unit, and here in the load videos in select only, you can see one video, like whatever the thing you have uploaded in the upload videos, this file or demo video. So you just need to select it, and then you just need to give a rank as AA1 for if it is the first test, and if it is second, then you can go for AA2 and so on, like this. And after that you just need to give a topic name for that. So I will just give it as test 1 for now. Then the description of that, so I will just also give it as test 1, the description also same, and is deleted, just keep it as 0 and just click on save. So by this thing, a particularly topic will be created inside your unit where you can just upload all your MCQ. So this was a setup you needed just to you can say upload the MCQs, and now we can see how to upload the MCQ for in the application. So for that purpose, you just need to navigate to MCQs here, and here you can see create MCQ by video name. So you just need to click on that, and here we can get all the things related to MCQ. So you just need to select your you can that file demo video which we have uploaded. You just need to select this every time whenever you want to create the MCQ in that particular unit, and then here you can type the question. So now you can just type whatever the question you have. So for now I will just keep it as just what is your name, just like that. Okay, so like this. So this this will be the question of that particular you can say MCQ. Then also if your question don't like it, that it is not a textual question, you have image of that particular thing, then you can also choose that particular file from your you can say desktop, and you have to just crop that particular thing. I will just show this thing after this particular MCQ creation, so that you will get an idea of that also, that how to crop your MCQ from a PDF file. So later then if you have an image file of that particular question, you can upload this and just keep that textual thing blank. And then later it is asking me for the number of choices, like how many choices I am supposed to give to a person like user. So like 4 choices, then 3, then 2. For now I'll just keep it as 2. If it is true false question, you can just keep it as 2 like this. For now I am just creating an MCQ, so I'll just keep it as 4. And here you can just select what type of question it is. So is it MCQ or is it MCQ image, and then like whole image as MCQ. Then here also true false, so I will just keep it as MCQ here. And then the level, like is it a 1 mark question or 2 mark question or 3 mark. So here you can just select all the things, and then later in the choice A, choice B, choice C, you can just put your, you can say. So to just upload a MCQ, you just need to go in create MCQ by name, and here you just need to select that same video, and here you can just type your question, like whatever the question you want to just ask in your exam, and you just want to type that particular question here in the question tab. Then later if you have image of that particular question, then you can upload it here. Also you just want to mention that particular question which have like how many choices. I'll just keep it at 4 for now. And also there are a lot of options available here, like MCQ, then MCQ with image, and then the true false type of question. So for now I'm just creating a blank MCQ like with text only, so I will just select the particular MCQ tab. Then here is the difficulty level, like 1 mark difficulty, 2 mark difficulty. So the more is the difficulty, the more time they will get to solve that particular thing. And later on we can also fill the choices, like choice 1, choice 2, whatever the options for that particular questions will be. And here they can also select the images for that options, and here you just want to select the correct option here in the answer section, so that we can cross verify it after submitting the exam. And also here you can just you can say put the explanation of that particular thing, and you just need to keep this is active button to 1, so that your MCQ will appear there in the application. And here you can just specify that your MCQ belongs to which type of category, practice, exam, or exam and practice. Like if it is on practice thing, then it will be only available for like it will not be counted as a test here. After clicking on continue button, that MCQ will be created and it will be shown in. Now to upload a video with only images, you just need to go in the same window where it is just showing me that create MCQ by video name. Then you are just supposed to select the same file which we have uploaded there, and then later instead of just typing your question here, you can just upload your file here. So I'll just go in my desktop, like I have created this particular thing like this. So what I will do, this is my question, as you can see like this. So this is my question and these are the answers of that particular thing. So I will just upload the question file first and then I will just keep it as the number of choices as 4. And here I will just I can just change the difficulty level of that, so that the users can get more time for that. So I'll just keep it as 3 marks, so that he will get 2 minutes to solve that particular thing. Then instead of filling the choices here, I will just choose the images of that particular thing. Like this is my first option, then this is my second option, then this is my third option, and then this is my fourth option. So I just have selected the images for all of that instead of typing the things, so that it will be more easy for me. And then I'll just select the correct answer. Like if C is my correct answer, then I will just select it here. And if I have explanation of that particular thing, I can type the explanation, and if I have the explanation in the image format, then also I can upload it. So let's say this question is itself, let's say it is just explanation for this particular question. And after doing this, I will just keep this 0 as 1, and here I will just keep it for exam only, so user cannot just access this particular MCQ in the practice mode. He will directly encounter this particular thing after starting the quiz. Then I will just click on create button. You can create the MCQ with images, and then later if you want to do the combination of both, then you can just keep that particular things blank, and instead of that you can upload the images in the vice versa manner like this. So if I just want to create with the combination of images and text, then I will just select that same video. First of all, here I will just type the question here, and if there is no question, I can, like if there is no typing question, then I can upload the image file of that. And let's say if my then the choice 1 is 1, choice B is 3, and choice C is some huge equation, you can say. So instead of just uploading this particular thing, I will just keep it blank here, and I will upload the image file for that particular third option. So it will it will just show choice A as 1, choice B as 3, and choice 3 as particular that image. So in this way you can create the combination of textual things and you can say images thing. So this is how you can create the MCQs and just take the test by just setting it to exam or exam for practice, like that. And now I will just show you how to crop the images for that particular, you can say just to upload here as an image file. So first, to do that particular thing, let's say this is your image file and you want to crop this particular thing here. So you just need to go in a search bar and search for the sniper tool, like this sniping tool, and after getting that, you just need to click on that and it will be opened like this. So you just need to click on new button and you can crop this thing. So just remember one thing before just cropping this particular thing, make sure that you have zoomed in your particular, you can say, thing like a particular PDF, so that you will get more clear image after cropping of that particular thing. So let's say I just want to crop this 1,1. So instead of that, we'll just crop this particular thing, because you can type this particular thing in the application itself. So let's say we want to crop this particular y dy by dx like this. So if I just want to crop it, I will just zoom it a little bit like this. You can do it by just pinching in your laptop, or else if you're using the you can say like PC, then you can do it by Control plus, like combination of Control and plus. So I will just zooming in like this, and after zooming like this, like full zoom, then you can just use this sniping tool. I will just click on new and I can crop it like this. And after just cropping of that, I will just click on file and I can just save that particular image. Let's say it is 1A, so I will just save it in the directories.